Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Well, hello, glamorous, and thank you for tuning back in with your girl, Tisha. Now, if you remember, in 2016, you guys requested a glamorous Dollar Tree fall and Thanksgiving theme. So, if you remember in the last post, I wanted you guys to vote. This was a absolutely fun series, and remember these, you guys was not going to stop until your girl did those faces. So for Christmas, we did a winter wonderland, and we used a lot of Dollar Tree items. So if you missed that post, look down below so you can also vote, because a lot of people did not get their votes in. And if you remember in 2017, when I came back from my surgeries, I did a traditional look. But I'm just letting you know, heads up, I'm not a traditional girl. So let's get started in today's video. All right, friends and fam, if you remember the haul that we did, the last haul, we got those beautiful bouquets from Home Goods. Now, over here, Designing with Latisha McKinney, I tear stuff apart to get results like this picture I am going to show you. Like this. This is what I do. Now, I want you guys to know this. Look, I am going to show you all how I did this. Just give me a moment to get all of the stuff for the wedding out of the way. Now, I did do a hint of sparkle because that's what people highly voted, but remember to cast your vote. Now, right there, I'm going to show you in that video the haul that we did, because a lot of the stuff we're going to be doing for this fall will be from that haul. Now, when you see me touching this plastic, it has to go. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do for the back, because when I was doing it, I said, hey, they can be doing this now. So I just want to show you what I've done thus far. Now, you see all this plastic here? I do not need a vote to remove this plastic. I don't need nobody to vote on that, because we're going to move it. Now, I want to place like a cascading look right there. So, guys, when you vote down below, don't hold back, because I want us to have a beautiful, outstanding, gorgeous series. Now, these LED lights I got on clearance. If you remember that haul, now that clearance is gone, friends. So if you missed it, you missed it. Now, right here, I'm using a 5-inch riser. I'm going to remove that because we don't need that. I'm gonna place a 3-inch on that side and on that side as well. So you remember these LED lights? Remember, they are no longer on clearance, okay? No longer on clearance. So I only have 4, but I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do with the 4, but you really need 5. So this is a stacking look right here. So you can pretty much see where I'm going with this look. Right here is a 3-inch riser. So I'm gonna show you guys something. You can place an LED light right here. Move that over a little bit. Then you can place, your 3-inch riser right here, just like that. There we go. And then just place your LED lights on top. Now you guys see why I said you need at least 5. You see it? Because you would need a 5th one right about here, right there. You need a 5th one right there. So I am going to show you guys what I did with the 4 that I have, and hopefully you guys like it. So here's the look that your girl came up with. Now, I think it is beautiful. That's why I wanted to show you all pretty much, because you can still use it for the fall, wedding season, just whatever you want to do it for. So this is what I want you guys to do if you like. Not only if you like this tutorial, I want you to subscribe to our channel, to our beautiful channel, and click my face. And once you click my face, I would love for you to hit the notification button so you will be notified when I upload a video. And if you have missed any of our videos, you can click one to the left or click one to the right. All right, friends, you guys have a blessed one. And guess what? We will see each other in the next one. Blessings.